Despite being without 6 of their players, the Falcons showed some fight on Saturday. Bowling Green battled back from 2 double-digit deficits in the first half. And that's thanks in large part to forward Trey Diggs dropping 21 points alone. While the shorthanded Falcons came up short in round 1, you got to give credit to Bowling Green. Myron Gordon and Chandler Turner came in off the bench and posted double-digit performances. While head coach Michael Huger liked the competitive edge for the Falcons, it just wasn't enough in the end.
I felt we had enough guys to play. This is why we built this team, to be able to go out and compete, and I thought we did a really good job. We just didn't have enough to sustain, and that's the difference in what it was, but I thought we did a great job of competing.
I'm sure guys felt pressure to kind of take advantage of the opportunity, but we all got to have a next guy up mentality. One person goes down, you got to be ready, no matter what. Isaac Elsasser came in and hasn't played in the MAC conference yet, and he came in and gave us great minutes. And that's just how it has to be, no matter who goes down, next guy up.
I mean, perfect. That's what you look for. You look for those guys to be able to step up and help one another and hold each other accountable. We did a great job of that. We really ran out of gas. We literally ran out of gas on this one. So, I mean, it is what it is, and I mean, we got to move on to the next one.